So I'm Jeremiah from ENS, and I have RV and Roz, and I'm going to have a couple more team members join in as we're doing this recording, and we have Peter Seven from SWOL. Right, Peter?
Yep. How you doing?
Pretty good. I have something cool to show you, and this is, we could use any domain registrant we want, right? Anybody. And we're a big enough company that we don't need to promote anybody. Okay, so I'm not doing this because I'm getting paid by these guys. Maybe in the future they'll sign me up as a partner, but right now, as of the recording of this video, I make zero off of referring to these guys. Okay, check this out. Onlydomains.com. Why I like them is because I've had a couple of domains expire and they've actually phoned me up. I actually got phone calls from these guys like, hey, you might want to repay for their customer support is excellent. You go onto their website, you actually get real live, intelligent, articulate human beings. Okay. So whoever it is that runs their support side rocks it out. Okay. So look at this, login, sign up. The other reason I really like them is they aren't boneheads about how to do the sign-up process. They make it very, 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 very easy. Okay, so we're going to fill this in for you right now. Okay. What's your email address?
SE, the number 7.
Yeah.
EN.
Oh,
WO. Plug in.
Plug in. Got to plug in my power before this thing dies. My laptop gives me like 2 seconds of warning. So your email is going to be in the public domain because if somebody watches this video, they're going to see your email. Big deal. They say hi to you. Okay. SE7EN at
WORLD.
Okay.
At gmail.com.
At gmail.com. Okay. I'm going to make your username and password for you. Okay. I'm not going to tell you what it is in this video. Okay.
All right.
Okay. But
Last
I've
name,
put
sir.
it in there.
The
Pardon
last
me?
name. The last name.
Oh, customer, so the last name. Whatever, sorry.
On the top.
Username farther up above. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. And for address, what's your address there?
7260.
Okay.
West Azure. AZURE. Drive.
Okay. And for anybody watching this video, there's a point to this. Keep watching the video for something I'm going to show you in a second.
There's a suite. There's a suite number though. But go ahead.
Okay.
Suite 14077.
Everybody in the world's going to know where you live now. You okay with that?
Yeah. Fine.
Okay. Postal code.
89130.
Okay. And this is Nevada.
Yep.
And this is USA.
Yep.
And what's your phone number?
702.
Okay.
350.
Okay.
2743.
Okay. And
that's my office. That's my real office number.
That's your real office number. Good. If somebody wants to call, they can call.
Yep.
We're going to say you're chargeable to VAT, US. That's weird. I think it just asks what the tax rate is there. I'm not sure. But anyhow, US dollar. Roll me an email. I agree to the current terms and conditions. Yes, I agree to privacy policy. Okay, so these are some basic setup things, right? Okay. Sign up. So it's created the account for you. It's already logged you in. Got it?
Yeah.
That's huge because normal techie things bounce you out. You got to go somewhere, figure out your password, come back in again. It takes time. And then they got to, authenticate by email back through to you. You spend half your day going, oh, okay, how do I sign up for this? No, this is already live. Okay, so watch this.
Okay.
SWOL dot, what we're going to do? We're going to do tech, right? SWOL dot tech.
Either that or 7 World. Either one.
I like this because it's so short. It's going to look great on a business card below your logo.
Okay.
Got it? If you have, think about the placeholder on a second line, and you can have SWOL, There's your main logo piece, and then just down below, there it is. Okay, got
Gotcha.
it? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is add to cart. And what I'm, with this video, the intent here, RV, is I'd like you to post it up to our YouTube afterwards, okay?
Okay.
You cool with that? And I do not believe there's anything private or confidential. It's, you know, this is just your contact details you'd have on a business card, right?
Correct.
Okay. So it says 1 year. Okay. So I'm going to get it for 1 year, grand total, $5. So this is the most important part of beginning now a business if you're going to be serious about being online. Okay. And these guys make it this much fun that you're like, I don't need this other stuff. Just continue. And there you go. You can put in credit card. But more important is PayPal. Look at this. I agree to the terms. Pay with PayPal. Okay, auto renew. I'm going to say no. Okay. But guess what I'm doing? I'm setting up your domain for you as a Merry Christmas to get you started here. Thank you for being a customer of ENS, and I hope that you're so far just wowed by this. Okay?
You're killing me.
You want to disable? No. Want to renew? No. And okay, what do I do next? Let's see, step 3 payment. But anyhow, I'm going to get through the last step here, okay? And if you want to stop recording at that, because I don't want to put up my PayPal here anyhow in the video recording, okay, RV? Stop recording there and post this up to our website, and that's a 2 thumbs up for only domains and the thought process of how you go through checkout when you're trying to help somebody just get their domain. Well done.